Hi, Phanessa here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to knit the moss stitch. So this is what it looks like. It is the same on both sides, so it is a reversible fabric. I'll be using Lantern Moon's single pointed needles. This is a US 9. I am using K&C's roving yarn. This is in the color blush and this is from Joann Stores. All right, let's get started. So you want to cast on any odd number of stitches. I have 15 stitches. So you basically want to alternate a knit and a purl stitch. So, okay, I'm going to knit one, purl one, knit one, and purl one. Repeat across. Okay, row 2. Now what you're going to do is knit the purl stitches, these are your purl bumps, and purl the knit stitches. So here's a purl stitch, we're going to knit that stitch. This is a knit stitch, I will purl this stitch. First stitch, this is a purl, so I'm going to knit. Next stitch is a knit, so I'm going to purl. And then you just repeat that all the way across. So you just repeat row 1 until you're happy with the size. Just make sure that you knit the purl stitches. These are the purl stitches here, and you purl the knit stitches. So there's a purl bump, you want to knit that stitch. So you want to do the opposite of whatever stitch you see. Okay, so I've worked a few more rows and this is your moss stitch here. It is the same on both sides, so it's a reversible fabric. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video like this. I'll see you next time.